If you follow me on social media, you know I'm all about empowering people to truly own their Bitcoin, to become their own bank in a world waking up to the hardest money ever created. But here's something that I've been thinking about a lot lately. Self-custody alone isn't enough. Holding your own keys doesn't automatically mean you're doing it right. Good enough isn't good enough when you're protecting the world's scarcest asset. This isn't some digital collectible. It's generational wealth on a scale humanity has never seen before. Money that cannot be inflated, can't be confiscated, and could change your family's future forever. Think of it this way. Imagine a vault full of gold bars, passed down from your ancestors. Would you simply lock it with a dollar store padlock? Or would you invest in the best security money can buy? Reinforced doors, alarms, etc., etc. Bitcoin is that gold, only exponentially better, finite, borderless, permissionless. But screw up your custody and poof, it's gone. Not to a thief in the night, but to a forgotten seed phrase, a hacked device, or worse, a sneaky flaw in your setup. That's why good enough self-custody is like Russian roulette with your legacy. Now, don't get me wrong, using a hardware wallet already puts you light years ahead of the masses. Most people are still trusting exchanges or custodians, praying nothing goes wrong. Billions have disappeared because folks thought it was safe over there. And the real suckers? Those trading Bitcoin, or worse, hard-earned time for IOUs, ETFs, wrapped Bitcoin treasuries. That's not Bitcoin. These are promises that can be diluted, stolen, or simply vanish overnight. So why settle for a paper claim when you can hold the real thing? Bitcoin is money, pure and simple. Not a stock, not a tech play, and to win with it, you need to understand it and use it properly. Even among self-custody enthusiasts, setups can vary very widely. A single hardware wallet connected to your computer is a start. Sure, it helps, keeps your keys offline and away from hackers. But is it enough for serious wealth? Many devices handle multiple cryptocurrencies, which adds complexity and risk. Some lack screens entirely, forcing blind signing through a potentially compromised device. Even with screens, USB or Bluetooth connections open attack vectors. Firmware updates can introduce vulnerabilities. Customer data leaks happen all the time. One slip and it's game over. The best self-custody doesn't have to be complicated either. Keep it simple. Minimize attack vectors. Focus on Bitcoin only and document everything. Test your recoveries. Update your methods as technology improves and never trust blindly. Seed phrases are your lifeline. But if you're keeping it on paper in a drawer, fire, theft, divorce, poof, gone. Also, relying on a seed phrase alone is definitely not enough. You need more levels of protection, but most people skip this. An inheritance? Most setups ignore it. Bitcoin is generational wealth, means planning long-term, and cybersecurity plays a valuable role in all of this. At the Bitcoin way, we've seen it all. Lost devices, forgotten passphrases, secure setups that weren't. That's why we don't sell hardware or software. We educate and build custom self-custody solutions based on individual needs, air-gapped signings, verifiable cold storage, redundancies, no single points of failure, zero third-party trust. You understand every step because Bitcoin isn't just about holding, it's about sovereignty. The threats are real: government regulations, exchange surveillance, hackers, human error. Good enough leaves way too much exposed. Bitcoin works because it's decentralized, backed by math and energy, not empty promises. So treat it like the powerhouse that it is. Run a node, verify, don't trust, pay with Bitcoin, stack sats, don't just hodl, use Bitcoin. Ask yourself, can my setup protect generational wealth, survive hacks, disasters, or mistakes? If the answer is maybe, it's time to level up. Visit thebitcoinway.com for resources, consultations, and tools to make your setup unbreakable. No custodians, no IOUs, just pure Bitcoin sovereignty. In this game, good enough can get you wrecked. Aim for the best. Your future and the hardest money humanity has ever created deserves it.